Put your lighters in the air. If you smoke weed like you don't care. I'm addicted to the herb. It's a dangerous love affair. A natural plant that's from the ground. Some smoke ganja by the pound. I'm gonna ask this question now. Who's gonna smoke some weed tonight? Who's gonna smoke some weed tonight?
It was the dark of the moon on the 6th of June, and the Kenworth pulling logs. Cab over Pete with a reefer on, and a Jimmy hauling hogs. We was headed for Bear on I-10, about a mile out of Shaky Town. I said, Pigpen, this here's a rubber duck, and I'm about to put the hammer down.
Why so serious? Let's put a smile on that face.
世界で一番の姫様、そういう扱い心得て手を挙げて何かって構わない優しい見ていてくれる今から始まる道の途中でつまずいて痛い何かが切れてもう歩けないつま先立ちみたいな日々でもういつかきっと強くなりたいと見上げる空が高く
What if I'm not the hero? What if I'm the bad guy?
Nossa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego. Ai, ai, se eu te pego. gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for